The question is, can you identify few activities from your surroundings that cause global warming? First, burning fossil fuels like coal or petroleum releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide that can cause global warming. Global warming is actually increasing the temperature of the earth, that is mainly done by the gases called greenhouse gases. These include carbon dioxide and the different oxides of nitrogen. Then increase in number of cars, buses and trucks lead to emission of greenhouse gases like nitrogen oxide and carbon dioxide that cause global warming. Another cause is industrial activity. Emission of greenhouse gases like different oxides of nitrogen lead to global warming. Then deforestation is very important reason behind global warming, since plant absorbs carbon dioxide and balances the ratio of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the nature as they release oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. So we can see that they are taking carbon dioxide and they are releasing oxygen. This is the image of deforestation, that means felling of trees in large amount. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.